guys, it's Julie. Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, please hit the subscribe button so you can join the growing family. For today's video, I'm using the Curls Pineapple collection to moisturize and style my hair. So yeah, what you saw me doing was using castor oil to massage my scalp, and that's pretty much it for this part. Right now I'm just going through the process of moisturizing my whole head. I'm just showing you a small part, then I'll finish the rest off camera. I start off with the leave-in conditioner, then I just seal it in with the oil, and that's pretty much it. And then to style my twists, I'm going to also use a little bit of the gel that came with it. That's the gel right there. It's a very lightweight gel, so that's why I wanted to try it in a twist out to see how it works, you know, how everything comes out. So yeah, then you just do 2-string twists from around the back of your head, and then I'll be back. So the front section, I'm only doing just 2 braids. Both braids will be going the opposite way. One will be starting on the left, and then the other one will be starting on the right. And that's pretty much it for the front part, guys. And this is it. Quick and easy. Very easy to do. Medium twist in the back, 2 braids in the front. Great protective style for the house, and great style to go out too. We are back, guys. It's the next day, and I'm going to unravel my twist. Before I do, I'm adding a little bit of oil to my hands to kind of moisturize, you know, add a little bit shine to my hair and also keep the frizz down. These are the twist out. Came out really nice. I feel like I've gotten better curl definition before, but these weren't so bad. So after I'm done unraveling my hair, I went ahead and added the accessories to my braids, but this time I added 3, just 3 of them. Less is always better, so yeah. Then I'm just going to fluff my hair and fix my edges, you know, lay my edges a little bit. I don't like to lay them down too much, but yeah, that's all it, folks. That's pretty much it. We're all done. Thank you guys for stopping by and watching this video. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Like, comment, share, and of course subscribe to my channel for more content. I'll see you next time. Bye.